I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another video. Alright, now kind of a quick follow-up to the last video that I did, which I showed you the cool gray Jordan 3s. Alright, now I got those for my brother. The original plan for those was for me to buy them for him because he missed out on sneakers and I hit. So I was supposed to just get them for him, and then we had to go to Ohio, so I'd meet up and I'd give him the shoes and he'd give me the money for them. Alright, so I just got back from Ohio, and what we did is I gave him the shoes, he gave me the money. The next day, however, my brother he came in the room and he asked me to lace up a pair of shoes for him. And I said, I didn't know you had those. Let me get them. Let me get them from you. I'll give you the money that I just gave you for those 3s right back. And you'll give me those and it'll be a fair trade. He said, nah, man, I'm keeping them. I said, man, let me get them, man. He said, nah, I'm keeping them. All right. I leave out the room. I come back. The shoes are there. I give him the money back. We make the transaction. So, man, I'm glad to have these, man. Without further ado, left shoe first, baby. Woo! What Mike Rich say? Woo! Ain't that what Mike Rich said? Woo! These Baroque brown, the biohacks. Oh man, I missed out on these joints right here. And I had no idea that my brother hit. Maybe I did, but I don't remember him having them until he came in the room and asked me to lace them for him. And I don't know if he noticed, but when I laced them the way that I lace Jordan 1s. I didn't lace them the way that he does it. Look how I skipped the second hole there. This is how I lace my Jordan 1s. I skip one, and then I go on to the next. But man, oh man. Yes, sir. Look at all the color. Look at the teal right there on the toe box area. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me adjust the camera a little bit for you. Yes, sir. Oh, there it is. Man, definitely dope. Look at the brown on the back. You have your Jordan Wings logo there. Man, that metallic swoosh going all around. The black in the middle there. That blue. Ooh, it's good material. Let me take the shoe tree out. It comes with the extra lace that's on the left shoe. That pink. I don't know if I'm going to switch that up. But probably would be cool to have one pink, one black. You know me, I'm a big fan of Bret the Hitman Hart. So we might have to do a little pink and black attack on here. But that's a different story. Nice materials. Nice nubuck going around. That blue there, the whole shoe pretty much. Man, it's legit. You got more of that teal there on the back. Kinda on the inside there, it's that green. It's that lime green kind of color that you see a little bit of on the midsole there. Man, these are hard, man. My brother said, he's like, I wasn't gonna really wear these. And he knew that I would appreciate these more than what he would. So this is why he gave me these. Well, he didn't give me them. We exchanged. We basically traded shoes. I bought the 3s for him and gave them to him, and he gave me these in exchange for getting him the 3s. So I think that's a fair trade. Actually, considering that I paid pretty much what these would cost after discount for those threes. So it was a fair trade. It wasn't like, hey man, I paid more, you should be giving me the shoes and some cash. It was pretty much even. So nobody got cheated, even though that's my brother, man. Brown and green on the inside there. Got that pink, that magenta on the inside there. And on the insole, it is a light blue with the Nike Air in pink. Light blue, Nike Air in pink back there. Alright, on the bottoms, black bottom. Black bottom. And then the tongue, kind of that orange with your black and pink Bret the Hitman Hart Nike Air logo there, kind of stitched on. Very dope, man. Very dope. I'm glad to have these, man. Glad to have these. These were instant L for me when I tried them when they initially came out. So I'm glad that I was able to make a deal with my brother and get these in here. Right shoe. Second. Exact same shoe. There's really no difference. There's no differences in the shoes. Did I mention the teal stitching that is going around the Nike Air logo there? Teal stitching. And the tongue is kind of that unfinished tongue that's going around the top there. I dig it. I dig it, man. But that's these. That's these. I didn't have a box. He didn't bring the box with him in his suitcase or anything. I just got them like this. So that's it, man. That's these. Just wanted to show you these, that I got these now. Boom. Man. Love these. Love these. I already got ideas of what I can rock with them. You know, I got some shirts that are that teal there, and got some of that blue in it, and got some of that pink. I got shirts that have all the colors that are on here in it. Like, you know, I got shirts like that. So, man, definitely can pull this off. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, man. Just wanted to bring you a very quick one and show you that I do have these in-house now. But thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. I'll show you what's next. And it comes in this box. So if y'all are familiar with this box, you know what's coming. But I'll holler at you all in the next video. R.I.P. Biggie Smalls, greatest rapper of all times. Peace.